Mathematical reptiles are not cold-blooded. Reptiles are shapes of which you can use several copies of the same shape to form a bigger copy of itself. For example, this is a reptile. The first challenge of our Big Science celebration is to figure out how to arrange 4 of these inside this bigger version of the same shape. In other words, reptiles are puzzles where all the pieces are equal, and the puzzle itself also has the same shape, but bigger. So you can try it at home. I'm going to show you how to draw this reptile. You can then cut the pieces on cardboard or paper or whatever you have at hand, like a cereal box. It's easier if you have square paper. So with square paper, what you can do is just draw a horizontal line that's 6 squares long, and then another one on one of the corners that is a vertical one that's 6 squares tall, and then here a line that's 3 squares long, then 3 down, 3 here, and 3 down again, and that's our L shape. This is our reptile. Then you can, again, using the square paper, you can draw the bigger versions, which are going to be where you put your pieces, where you assemble them to put together the puzzle. So this is our basic shape that we just draw. 6 squares in the longer sides and 3 squares on the shorter sides. The first puzzle, this one where you arrange the 4 pieces. So here I have a piece that I already cut with the squares. So you have to arrange 4 of these inside this one. To draw this one, you have to do 2 long 12 squares long lines, and then the other ones are 6 squares long. There's another version of this puzzle, a bigger one, an even bigger one, which you have to arrange 9 pieces inside of it. And this one is 18 squares long on the longer sides and 9 squares long on the shorter sides. So 9 pieces of this one, of this basic piece, you have to arrange 9 of those in here. If you don't have square paper though, that's okay. You can still draw it. You can draw it on a piece of cardboard like this one, or on regular paper, whatever you have at hand. But you need a ruler. So for this one, I'm gonna draw a line, a horizontal line that is 2 inches long. And then using my triangle, I'm gonna draw the vertical line on one of the corners. So my ruler has centimeters on one side and inches on the other one, but I have to make sure that this one is 2 inches long as well. So now I'm measuring 2 inches up to here. And then again, I can use my triangle to make another vertical line on the other corner, and this one has to be 1 inch tall, 1 inch long, and just keep going. So put my ruler with my triangle to make a perpendicular line. This one is 1 inch as well. So here I'm making sure that this is 1 inch long. So up to here, and then I just join the 2 ends where I mark them. And there you go. You have your L shape, which is our reptile piece. You just cut it, and then you can use it as like this one that I have in here. And then to draw the bigger puzzles where you are going to put together all these pieces, you just follow the same process with your ruler and your triangle. And just again, so the first puzzle where you have to put 4 pieces, this one is 4 inches on the longer sides and 2 inches on the shorter sides. And the bigger puzzle with 9 pieces, that one is 6 inches on the longer sides and 3 inches on the shorter sides. So remember, 4 of these in here and then 9 of these in here. So go ahead and try it. See if you can do it, and if you do, just take a picture and post it in here as a comment. And then on the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this on the computer. So if you don't have paper and ruler, or you just don't feel like cutting all those pieces, you can try it on the computer if you like that. So I'll see you on the next video.